Bottle accumulation table, it used to unscramble or accumulate products. Candy weighing filling machine system, available in multiple languages for easy operation and suitable for global markets. It is suitable for candy, melon seeds, jelly, frozen, pet food, puffed food, pistachio, almonds, raisins, and other snack foods. Metal detectors automatically reject products containing metal. Automatic thermoplastic can seaming machine. It is applicable to tin cans, aluminum cans, plastic cans, and paper cans, etc. Fully auto dust-proof lid capping machine. It can be applied to the capping of different bottle shapes in the industries. Automatic round bottle labeling machine, servo control, accurate positioning, more stable and safe operation.